Huawei P20 Pro continues to have this vital advantage over its Android rivals. Huawei's P20 Pro is one of the best smartphones of 2018, and a new test reveals why it has one huge advantage over its rivals. The Huawei P20 Pro has been one of the shock announcements of 2018. This flagship device has given its rivals a major headache, with it packing a triple rear camera, speedy processor, and stunning 6.1-inch edge-to-edge display. Many reviewers, including XS.So.UK, have given the P20 Pro top marks, and it's certainly a contender for the best phone of the year. Now a new test reveals why the P20 Pro continues to have a major advantage over its Android and Apple rivals. Huawei managed to cram a giant 4,000 mAh battery inside its flagship and has boasted of a 2-day battery life. To see how accurate this is, the team at Tom's Guide tested the P20 Pro against all of its rivals, including the Note 9, OnePlus 6, Pixel 2 XL and iPhone XS Max. The test involved continuous web surfing at 150 nits of screen brightness. To make sure things were fair, Tom's Guide says that, to ensure consistency, we run all of our phone battery tests on T-Mobile's network, and we ensure that the phones have full signal strength by using a signal booster called the T-Mobile 4G LTE CellSpot. In other words, this is as close to ideal conditions as we can get while keeping everything repeatable. So how did all the devices compare? Coming out on top was the P20 Pro with a total battery time of 14 hours 13 minutes before it ran flat. Next came the Pixel 2 XL with 12 hours and 9 minutes, followed by Galaxy Note 9 with 11 hours 26 minutes. The OnePlus 6 also did well, beating the iPhone XS Max by almost an hour. In fact, Apple's latest devices both came down the battery pecking order, with a time of 10 hours 38 for the Max and 9 hours 41 for the XS. So, if you want the longest-lasting smartphone on the market, it seems the P20 Pro is the device to beat in 2018. However, before you hit the buy button, it's worth remembering that Huawei could be about to announce something even bigger and better than the P20 Pro. The Chinese technology firm has a major announcement scheduled for later this month, where it's set to reveal the Mate 20 Pro. Huawei is expected to show off its Mate 20 Pro hardware in London on October 16. The hardware has been rumored to tout a gargantuan 6.9-inch display and a fingerprint sensor underneath its screen. And Huawei's new Kirin 980 processor is set to feature inside the hardware that should be blisteringly quick. With the Chinese giant set to unveil its newest hardware on October 16, fans looking forward to the Mate 20 Pro will not have to wait long to see what it has in store.